Hey everyone, it's Josh at Kenworth of Richfield, and today we're going to talk about this 2019 Kenworth T680 with the 76-inch high roof sleeper. This truck uses a 450 horsepower Paccar MX13 and the new Paccar 12-speed automated transmission. When you pair all of this with the 279 rear end gear, you've got plenty of power to get up the hill and all the efficiency you need to stay away from the fuel pump. You've got a 13.2 front axle and suspension with a 40,000-pound tandem axle set sitting on top of an AG 400L in the rear. 22.5-inch rubber all the way around sits on bright aluminum wheels. When you take a peek inside, you'll find everything that you need to stay out on the road with the Nav Plus system helping to guide the way. You've got heated front seats with the passenger side being able to rotate to meet the movable table in the bunk. And right behind the driver, you've got the fridge to help keep your food cool. This truck is on the ground and ready to go, so give us a call for more information today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can stay current on trucks and the latest industry news. And while you're at it, check out some of our other videos. Keep it rubber side down, and we will catch you on the flip side.